In this video, we're going to look at the distance formula. So we want to find the distance between these 2 points, 8, 10, and 2, 2. So the first thing we need to know is, what is our distance formula? Well, the distance is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1. And then after we subtract those numbers, we square that. And then we add to that y2 minus y1. And then we'll square that. So first we subtract, then we square, subtract and square, then we'll add both of those numbers together. Then we take the square root as our final step. So first let's go ahead and label to help us plug in. There's my x1, y1, x2, y2. So now everything labeled, it's really easy to plug in. So I have my distance is equal to the square root. Open my parentheses, x2, 2 minus 8 minus x1. Then I'll square that, plus y2 is 2 minus 10, and then I'll square that. So we do our subtraction, and I get the distance is equal to the square root of 2 minus 8 would be negative 6 squared, plus 2 minus 10 would be negative 8 squared. Continue just using some arithmetic. Negative 6 squared is 36, plus negative 8 squared is 64, which is the square root of 100. 36 plus 64 is 100. And now my final step is to take the square root, and the square root of 100 is 10. So we found that the distance between these 2 points is 10, and since we're not given any kind of feet or inches or anything, we'll say the distance is 10 units. And that is how we can use the distance formula to find the distance between 2 points.